Services, this is Barbara. Can I take your reservation?
Hello.
Hello?
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
You would like a room?
Yes.
Did you want the room upstairs or down?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter?
Yes.
Would you like it smoking or non-smoking?
No.
Non-smoking?
Yes.
Okay, your last name, please?
Hello.
Can you spell it, please?
No. I am Quaid.
I'm sorry, I can't hardly understand you.
Hello. Douglas Quaid.
Okay, sir, can you spell your last name? I can't understand you.
No. Who are you?
Hello?
Are you going to help me now or not?
I'm trying to help you, but I can't understand you.
I want to ask you a bunch of
Your
questions.
phone is not working
I want
good.
to have them answered immediately.
Can
Go
you
on.
spell your last name, please?
Yes.
Okay.
Miles Bennett Dyson.
Last name is what now?
Fuck you, asshole.
What?
You son of a bitch. Come on. Don't bullshit me.
What's your last name? I can't understand you.
Bullshit.
Hello?
You want to fuck with me?
You know what? I'm hanging up.
Fuck you, you psychopathic bitch.
Thank you for calling Motel 6 in Paula speaking. Would you like to make a reservation?
I'm back. What the fuck did I do wrong?
Hello, may I help you?
I hear you. Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
Okay, smoking or not?
No.
Okay, what's your last name?
Good.
What is it?
Good.
Yes.
Yeah.
How do you spell that?
Who are you?
How do you spell that?
You said it yourself.
How do you spell that?
What's the matter? Fucking bitch. You psychopathic bitch. Fuck you.